where are you in America? Where?
Oh, Utah.
Utah. Is it cold?
Cold, yeah.
Very cold there?
Very cold. But everybody's from everywhere. Florida, Alaska.
Florida. Oh, really?
Yeah, they're all over.
California.
California.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cebu,
Cebu.
Hawaii,
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Yeah. My sister-in-law back there.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Max.
to meet you too, man.
Max is still.
No, you.
Huh? Jongsu?
Dongsu.
Oh, yeah, Jongsu. Jongsu?
But Dongsu.
What Jongsu? Yeah, what Jongsu?
What is your last name?
Pot.
What?
Jongsu.
How do you spell your last name?
P-O-T.
Oh, Pot.
Pot.
Pot. How do you pronounce it?
Put Jongsu.
Put.
Yeah, Put Jongsu.
Put Chongsu.
Put Jongsu.
So you pronounce your last name first.
Yeah,
and
in
then-
Korea, last name first.
Oh, last name
Oh, yeah.
first. Put Chongsu.
Put Jongsu.
Very good.
In short, what does people call you?
Hmm?
Dongsu?
Yeah, Jongsu, only Jongsu.
Oh, only Dongsu.
Only
And
Jongsu.
then the last name is what?
Pot.
Pot.
P-O-T?
Yes.
Dong Support?
Put Jongsu.
Is that how you say
They
it?
always
Jong.
pronounce their last name
Always
first.
pronounce
Put-
the last name
Put
first.
Jongsu.
But
Okay.
I'm here in
Pot
Philippines.
In Philippines,
Jongsu. Pot. In
Dong
Philippines.
Support. Sabi niya. Support daw eh, support.
What's supot? Yeah.
Support means a bag.
Oh, bag. Like
Yeah, it's like support.
Like
It's
support?
like,
Yeah.
yeah.
a bag. Paper bag. Paper
Yeah.
bag. Supot. But not you.
Hmm?
Not you.
What?
You're
You say the last
Jongsu.
name
Jongsu.
first.
I'm Jongsu.
Yeah, Jongsu.
Put Dongsu. Pot.
Pot.
Rock.
Pot.
Rock.
Rock Jongsu. Rock soldier.
Rock
Are you
soldier.
right?
Bata pa to.
Too strong.
Too strong. What is support in Tagalog?
It's just a bag.
Bag. Support. Oh, good.
It's a
See,
bag.
I learn something new every day.
He likes to learn Tagalog.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Korean too now.
Oh.
Talk to him more in English. Or
You teach me English.
No, you teach me.
But now we still learning Tagalog, right?
Yes. Me, you.
Oh, handsome. How to say handsome? in
How do you say
Tagalog?
handsome? Guapo?
guapo.
Guapo.
Guapo?
You guapo. Yes.
You guapo? You
Yeah,
guapo
you
also.
guapo. You guapo.
You guapo also.
Okay. They call it pogi. Pogi, right?
Pogi.
Aso.
Yeah.
Aso? What is aso?
The dog.
Dog.
Dog? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
May sound
You know, in Korea,
In Korea?
the
Sound
woof
effect.
woof, mong mong. Sound of dog.
Yeah, sound of dog.
Yeah, that's
Is
the
that how
sound
you
of
say
dog.
it?
Mong mong. Mong mong. In
How about
Korea.
pusa? How about pusa?
Cat.
How about cat?
Yaong. Yaong.
Yaong. Yaong. Yaong.
That's good. We have you can search it in the Google. What is the sound?
Yeah, I
Dog.
believe.
Yeah, Korean dog. Mong mong.
Mumung.
Mong mong. In here,
Yes.
what is the sound here in
What's the
Philippines?
sound here in the dog?
Hmm?
Oh, like
Oh,
Or
when they
pow wow wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
it's like
It
America.
sounds like America.
Same American.
How?
here.
What is in sound in America?
Arf, arf,
Woof.
arf, arf.
That's a bulldog, I think.
Bulldog. Bulldog, yeah. But mong
That's a
mong.
big dog.
Mong mong like that. Mong mong and then the cat.
Yaong. Yaong.
Yaong.
Yeah, yaong.
Yaong.
Yaong. Yaong.
You should see him how he He do it.
Bulldog.
That's a bulldog.
You eat dog?
It's
No?
your dog is very aggressive.
Yeah, very aggressive. No good, right?
No.
Only tocino.
Only Tocino.
Only tocino.
Only Tocino.
Are you sure you're eating tocino,
How,
dog?
how about longanisa? Longanisa.
Yeah, longanisa. Yeah, we plan that
Longanisa.
also.
Yeah.
Planning,
Good.
yeah, planning
Good.
to add the
To add to the store.
Mm.
Business.
business. Yeah.
Very smart guy, you know.
Smart, no? Yeah, but the dog is very aggressive.
Bulldog.
Mong
Bulldog.
mong.
Bulldog.
Mong
Mong
mong.
in Korea, mong, just mong.
It's better. It's
Yeah.
better. Yeah, I like small dogs.
But your dog is very aggressive in America.
No good dog.
I like that. Mong, mong, mong.
That's a dog?
I like
Yeah, that's dog. Mong.
It's different all over
Have
the
you
world,
seen-
right?
Yeah.
Huh?
How?
How
about cow?
Yeah, how about the cow? You know the cow?
Maka.
Oh man.
Man.
Man. That's the cow.
That's very nice.
That's the cow.
How about
Different
in Tagalog? How about in Tagalog?
How about in Tagalog?
Yeah.
Cow.
Cow, cow.
Cow, cow.
No.
Moo.
How about in America?
Moo. Same thing.
Same?
yeah. Same thing.
How about that too short?
Hmm?
Too short. How do
short?
you say it? Yeah.
What is short?
What is that? Too
What is
short.
too short?
Kalitlit. Kalitlit.
Too short. Too short.
Yeah,
You
too
know.
short.
Shorty. Shorty.
Shorty? Shorty
Yeah.
cow?
No, shorty.
Shorty-
Shorty man.
Shorty man.
Shorty man.
Yeah.
So how do you like living here in the Philippines?
I like
Compare
here.
it in Korea.
I like here the people are friendly people.
People.
Hmm.
Yes.
Then also the food. I like the adobo.
Adobo?
Yeah, adobo. And
Adobodo?
Sinigang?
Yeah, sinigang. Oh, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You know it? Yeah.
All right, man.
Oh, sinigang.
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 Parking.
Yeah, we're here.
Yes.
We're here, guys.
Nice to meet you, Max.
It's nice to meet you too, buddy.
Dongsu.
Yeah. Jongsu. Be safe.
Yeah. Entrance here.
Yes, sir.
Max, if you could just ask where's the office.
Where's
Okay.
the office?
Yeah, where's the office? Office?
Here.
Oh, turn.
What's
Turn
on the left
right.
side there? Thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Oh,
thank you.
is this the one?
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Thank you. Thank you.
No, isn't it? Do you have to
this
wait for
one.
us?
Oh, yeah. But
Nah,
I
he's
need to-
waiting for us.
You need to go?
no, I'm
He's waiting.
안전운전하세요.
Oh, yeah.
팁
Yeah.
방면 유턴입니다.
Oh,
Yuturn.
이어서
He's
매닐라
gonna wait
메모리얼
for us,
파크 방면 우회전입니다.
Oh,
Oh, you're gonna wait for us?
yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, huh?
Thank,
Yeah,
can
yeah.
go?
yeah,
Park
right
out
there.
here.
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
We can park right
Thank
there.
you so much, sir.
He's gonna wait for us, Max.
Oh man, what a nice,
Yeah.
very nice, man.
Because you know Dean Carlos, you know?
Dean Carlos.
You know
yeah.
him?
Yeah, that's my brother-in-law.
Yeah, just
Get your
waiting here.
basura.
Okay, I will be back.
Hmm?
Wait
You
for
go there
us.
first. Yeah, I'll wait here. I'll just wait here.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Yeah, thank
po.
you. Yeah.
Salamat po.
Grabe. Grabe Inglisan. Hintayin mo natin sila kasi pupunta mo lang sa office dito sa May Memorial Park para alamin kung saan banda yung meron silang dalang jar. So grabe ito na grabe. Dugo-dugo ilong ko dito. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano ko i-reveal. Hindi ko pa ako nag-reveal. But
Yeah, Jongsu, we have to get the ash now.
Right now?
Yes, yes,
Mhm.
sir.
Okay.
It's in the back, right?
Yeah. Hmm?
We have to follow him.
Follow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So your best friend now, Junior?
Yeah, this is my best friend.
Yeah, we're best friend now.
Your best friend now. Nice.
American and Korean.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
American, Korea.
and Filipino.
Filipino, yeah. But you have a Filipino blood, right?
Yeah.
You have a blood Filipino.
In Spanish too.
In Spanish too?
Yeah, because you know the
The
Spaniard.
yeah.
Long time.
Long time ago. Your parents.
Parents.
Oh,
Yeah.
parents. But your parents Filipino?
Yes, sir.
The mother and the father?
Yeah, they born here.
They born here.
Yeah.
Mm.
But me and my brother and sister, we born there.
Mm.
Best friend na daw sila eh.
Mm. We're best friend now.
Best friend now. Kaibigan.
You guys
Hmm?
understand each other now?
Kaibigan?
Yeah,
Kaibigan. What is kaibigan?
Friend.
Friend. No, friend.
That's good.
Yeah, Ding Carlos, well, friend also.
Yeah.
Oh. And also,
Aida.
yeah, Aita
Carlos.
Carlos.
Aita Carlos.
Yes.
Mm.
He's also. Are you
Who?
Christian?
Hmm?
Are
Yeah,
you-
Christian.
Yeah.
Is he right, mom? Well, friend, right?
Yes.
Best friend. And also,
Yeah, Aida.
Yeah.
mm,
I'm asawa.
Arsenio.
mm,
I'm the
No,
asawa.
Annabelle.
mm,
His friend.
mm. Di ba, ma, magkaibigan tayo?
Ayan, gwapo pala eh.
yeah.
Gwapo.
Marunong pa
Okay.
lang mag-Tagalog eh.
He's good, man.
Good.
Introduce him. Introduce yourself na.
It's a joke, right?
Jongsu.
Dang
Jongsoon. It's not Jongsoon, right?
Jang Huzuput.
It's only a prank.
Oh man, that's good. You did good, bro.
He's a blogger. He's
Actually, I'm a
blogger, Kuya
content
Bo-
creator.
Kuya Boy.
Oh, so you're
Yeah.
famous, man.
And my kasabwat is Ma'am Aida and Ma'am Annabelle.
Oh yeah.
So I'm pure Filipino.
That is so good, man. You
You
did
know,
good.
Max, you
Yeah.
know,
Blogger.
Marty
Yeah.
always watch him.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And my camera is here.
Oh wow. You did good.
Yeah.
But he
Pretending.
know,
Man, it's
he
Korean.
know a
good.
little bit of Korean.
Elementary.
Mm.
I love it, man.
Salamat sa ano
Thank you
sa
po.
supportan mo
Oo po. Si sir hindi pa yata alam mo.
Ito, yung
Hi,
ate
sir.
namin.
Hello
No.
po. Filipino po ako.
Vlogger yan.
Blogger.
Sinusundan siya ni
Pinaprank ko lang si Sir Max.
Yeah.
Inutusan ako ni Sir Ding Carlos eh.
Oh, yeah.
At saka ito kasabat ko.
Magaling ang ano mo
At saka ito si Ma'am kasabat ko.
Kasabot kami,
At saka
kasabot
si
kami.
Ma'am Annabelle sa likod. Kasabat ko yan.
Nasa ng ano, phone card
Ito yung
mo?
camera
May
ko
calling
po.
card ka ba?
Ayan o.
Ito yung camera ko.
Hello!
Yan din sa camera.
Na-black. Na-black kami ha. Yay!
Sabay-sabay tayo. It's a prank!
Prank.
It's a prank.
Galing mo, ano
Tsaka forma mo, forma
Momo.
Koreano talaga.
Opo eh.
Galing
Pinagandaan ko po ito para kay Sir Max eh.
Ayaw, ganun ba?
Para siyempre sabi ni
Yung
Sir
sabi nung asawa ko, oh, we gonna prank them, especially Max.
Yay!
They got you, Max. They got you.
That's very good, man.
Yeah.
I'm still stunned, you know.
Pero grabe, dugo-dugo ilong ko kasi puro English ko. Hindi ko bahala na.
There's a
But
camera
he's
right there.
trying,
Yeah, there's a camera here.
he's trying to learn Tagalog din.
YouTube, huh?
Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, Facebook, YouTube.
So, ang pangalan niya, follow him, Don
Bertos TV.
Oh.
Yan, so shout out sa ating mga kababayan dyan around the world.
Yes. Yeah, we were hoping, me and Marty is trying to get in touch with him
Yeah.
through Messenger.
Oh,
Galing mo mag-disguise ha, talaga.
galing, successful
Galing
tayo.
ha.
Good
Ayan,
job,
call
Miguel,
Marty
Miguel.
later.
You shout out to Ding Carlos here.
Hey, Ding, how you doing, brother?
You got me.
Yeah, I got pranked.
We got us.
Yay! Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
At dito na ang ating biyahe. So, sir, nice to meet you.
It's so nice to meet you. It's an
Uh-huh.
honor, man, to meet you, brother. You're an honorable man, too.
Yes.
I had the best time in my life.
Wow. So,
Yes.
shout out to Sir
Shout out
Ding.
to Bert and Ding, yes.
at ma'am, ito kasabot ko si ma'am
Shout out,
Aida.
guys.
Aida at saka
Thank
si
you.
ma'am Annabel, yan kasabot ko.
Oh, say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Thank you,
May,
thank you.
may shoutout po ba kayo ma'am? Sino pa yung mga kaibigan nyo na sa Amerika?
Opo.
Sino pa yung mga kaibigan nyo? Pwede nyo po i-shoutout.
Shout out kay paring Pete na hindi kami nagkita. California.
California.
Ayan.
Brother
Po.
niya.
Yeah, shout out to everybody.
Ayan.
Be safe, okay? God bless you.
Yes, sir.
Too.
Geraldine, Eric.
So give some freebies for you. Oh yeah, this is,
Promotion.
Don't forget to follow
yan. So this is for you.
Gaberto's,
Subscribe.
TV.
So shout out natin si The Gifters Garden by
Oh,
AC.
nice,
So,
bro.
tote bag.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the name, man. It's beautiful,
Oh,
bro.
wait. Yeah, this is tote bag.
Oh,
Yeah, that's for
look
you.
at that.
You.
That's just identical to you, bro.
And also, meron silang mga pouch bag.
Oh,
Ganito, maliliit.
jewelry.
Ayan.
Thank you so much, bro. Shout out.
The Gifters Garden
Lagay natin
by
sa-
AC.
I love that, man.
Yeah.
From the great.
I love you, man.
And also, Inknovative, gawa ni Inknovative ang sticker na ref magnet. Yeah, this is ref magnet. Yan.
Oh, I love that, man.
Thank you.
Keychain.
Keychain. Oh my
Yan,
gosh.
keychain. Gawa ni Inknovative to. Ayan, so ito po, para sa inyo po lahat. Ito ma'am.
Thank you so
Shout out
much,
po.
man. We love you guys, man. We'll never forget you, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, Ding is so lucky, to that he answered back,
Sir Bar.
because there's too many people,
Ayan, sa mga gustong mga magpa-prank sa mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, pwede po basta pasok sa schedule ko. Oo, di ba? Buti lang
So
pasok
set them up, yeah.
Oo. Pwede ko po kayong maging kasabwat soon. Paano? Siyempre, mag-message kayo sa Don Bertos TV.
Yeah.
Message nyo na ako. Pogo.
Hey, brother,
Yes.
on the behalf of the family, they just want to give you this. Okay?
Oh my God, thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
on behalf of the family,
Oh, yeah.
the Lisay.
How about the one in the box, Max?
Yeah, okay, this one right.
Thank you, ma'am. Ha?
Opo.
Ano ba ito, ma'am?
Yeah, black label, okay?
Oh my God.
For
Kang wag kang
for the bloggers.
Wow!
stranger,
Yeah,
don't be a stranger.
Wow!
Ayan.
Black level.
Yeah, black label, man.
From America?
Baka may darating eh.
Grabe, may black level tayo. Ibang level to. Thank you po. Ang babait na mga kababayan natin na mga kaibigan natin na nasa yung mga balikbayan pala. Grabe. Saya ko ngayon. Sir, Ding Carlos, thank you po.